Hello, duckies, Andi here. I'm back, finally. I've got married. Whoa, back off, you Caltech. You're always telling me you love me in comments, mate. I'm taken now, back off. So we're getting back on the videos, and what better way to start it with a video that I actually planned before I went away to do. I've been planning lots of videos and just not had the time to do it because as you can see, I'm in a new place. I've moved in with Mr. Participation. That is my actual IRL brother. You can catch him over at Twitch as well. Cool, he's a cool guy. I'll leave his link down below. But today we are looking at basically the most incredible feature to use for any YouTuber out there. So you keen-eyed viewers, you would have seen recently in my previous videos, I pretty much do it on every single video. You can see down here, we've got all these little like goals, help us get to our subscriber goal, and it's this 43%, so we're on our way to 25k subscribers, and this updates literally on the fly. I don't have to edit this. This just happens and it goes across all my videos. Well, the ones that I've put this on. We've got all sorts of different other bits and bobs as well, such as tippers. So anytime somebody loves me enough to drop me a coffee or something, they can press this link and their name appears directly here. As you can see, anonymous a few times in there. DJ, Holger as well. Beautiful. G2B. And we've also got channel members as well. So when they click this link and they join the YouTube channel member, even if they don't click that link, it's all good. It's fine. That's just a handy link to get to that section. And you can see Ellie Gaz, that's actually my mum. That is adorable. Thanks, mum. My mum's supporting me. She's one of my 7 channel members. Let's go. And I'm going to show you how to get all that on the fly. It's going to help increase your engagement and hopefully get you to the goals that you want to do. It's done in such a nice way. And did I mention there's some other bonus tips? Stick around. Let's get into it. Put your rock over the stone. I've got to use the red wedding ring, Anna. Yeah, put your rock in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, so to get this working, you just need to go to a website. This is actually powered through StreamElements, and this is just in beta. There's a load of cool other features that they are going to be adding. They've kind of showed me a few, but I don't know if I'm sworn to secrecy, so I'm just not going to say anyway, but just stick around. You're going to want to subscribe because I'm going to cover all the different things that this tool uses, and I'm going to be using it on my channel so you can see exactly how it works as well. So to get this to work, we just need to head on over to your whichever browser you want. I use Chrome because I find it's just the easiest, and we're just going to go to Mercury. I can't even type and talk. Mercury.streamelements.com. I'm already logged in, so it's going to basically automatically put me in just here. So you'll have to just connect your YouTube account just as you would log into any other page. It just saves me putting all my, it'll show you things. I recorded this before and it had personal information on there, and I was just like, oh, so I'll redo it. So you get greeted with this nice dashboard that shows you all your different kind of things, all your engagement, views, all your stats, all that jazz that you can change 7 to 28 days. We're not here for that. We're not here for that. We're here for looking at basically creating engagement on our videos. So if I go to my videos just on the left hand side, just up here, you'll see all the different videos. Can I just give a massive shout out to Waldo? What an incredible job he did of the 2 videos here. If you want to see Waldo some more, I'm going to leave a poll down below in the description that you can use, and we can basically find out if you want some more videos from Waldo on the Lippy channel. So we can see I've got all these videos on here, every single video that I've ever done. If I've only just done it, I can press import new videos just here, and it will bring up any new videos. So I'm gonna just press edit on one of these, okay? If I go to edit, you can see this brings up my description, the whole description that I've got here. And you can see I've already actually got this installed here. So I'm just gonna click this little cross and get rid of it. So this is my normal YouTube description. So it's got all my links in there about me making music, all my website and everything like that, just here. And normally you want to shout people out maybe and drop links like twitch.tv/Waldo and Friends. What a legend. But we've got all these different widgets. So if you have a look on the right hand side here, we've got subscriber goals. So we can set a goal to any number we want. I've set it up for 25k because I feel like that's the next milestone that I want. Patreon supporters, we can even check how many Patreon supporters you've got and thank the guys that you've got as patrons, which is insane. And this is all on the fly. You don't, as soon as you've set it up once, that's it, it's done. Discord members as well. So if you're aiming to get a certain amount of Discord members, you can set this up and hopefully drive some more engagement that way. Memberships as well for YouTube, and then you've got links for everything, so your Patreon link, Discord link, tipping link, all that jazz there. And we've also got spotlights. So the spotlights I really love, like thanking the people that have subscribed to you. It'll always show your newest subscriber. So say if I want that, I can just click and drag and paste it right into there, and it'll show me who my recent subscriber is, and it'll be on every single video that I've put on this description editor just here. I can also add who the recent Discord member is, or the new Patreon supporter, or the latest tippers like you saw on my previous video example just here, and that automatically updates. And if I press save changes, that'll save it to that video. And now whenever I go to YouTube on this video, sometimes it does take a few seconds. So if I just click on this video, head on over into here, and if we show more in the example just down here, you'll see we've got who my recent follower is and all the tips just there. And it doesn't always update that quick straight away, because YouTube sometimes just has a couple of seconds to update if you've been constantly changing it and then updating. So if I go back into Mercury again, you'll be able to see just here, going back into edit, we can start adding even more things. We can even create templates. So to give you an example, I have a template that I put on every single video, which is main video template just here. So if I click and drag that, it's got a bunch of stuff already set out. So this is what I was saying about it being on every single video in the future. So I've got the help us get a subscriber, if you want to send a tip, this section here, and then also the channel member section just there. You can change it at any point, because you can change these templates and it'll change it across all your videos as well. So let's have a little look at how to create that sort of stuff. I mean, we can press preview and have a little look what it would look like. So you don't have to go to your video, so you can see what this is going to look like before you actually select it and submit it, which is beautiful. But we've also got different things that we can do. So if I go to connections on the left-hand side just here, this is where you're going to connect your Patreon. So you can go to connect just there. You can also connect your Discord and press connect just there. Also, vote for what you want next. Like, do you want it to be your next Twitch follower and subscriber and stuff like that, or Twitter? What do you want to build your engagement on? Trust me, this is awesome. So if I go to my templates now on the left hand side, this is where we can create any template we want. So this is one that I've created previously, and it says how many videos it's on. It's only on 36 at the moment, and we can actually remove it on all videos if we want to, and I can edit this template or delete it. But we'll create a new template now. So once we're on the new template selection screen, we can choose what we want. So I want the subscriber goal, and I can just type whatever goal I want into this box here. So it'll tell me my current amount of subscribers, and I'll put whatever goal I want in there. So I'm going to leave it on 25,000, and you can press apply as channel goal, and it'll stay and update that across all the videos that you've already got this on already. We can do the same with Patreon supporters. So if I do something like this, I'm going to say my goal is 43. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. And I can start typing in here as well if I really want to. I can rearrange stuff and move it around. I've just deleted them somehow. Wow. So if I do subscriber goal, I can do anything that I want in here. Drag that in. That's fine. If I want to do another one, I'll do Patreon goal. Obviously, you can make it look a little bit better than this, like use some emojis and stuff like that. Do that. Now I'm going to have a look for the subscriber link. So I'm going to put that in there as well. Just there. So you can see the subscriber link next to the goal. And then I'm also going to do the Patreon link just under the, in fact, I'm going to do a line break there and put the Patreon link in just like so. And I'm also going to put the newest subscriber in here, just like that. So I'm going to type in here and just type in newest subscriber, just like so. So you can do whatever you want with any of this at all. So I can do newest patron as well. So I'll just wind it back there and type in newest patron, like so. And you can also do a poll. So to see this one in action, I'm actually going to put it on this video that you're watching right now. So go in the description and you'll get a poll question. So I'm going to do, does this work, for instance? And I'll go, yes. and then I'll do no as the second option. I can do more options if I want to, but that'll do for now. And just press click off it, and you'll be able to see, does this work? 0%, 0%, because nobody's voted on it yet. And I'm going to press save template now. I think I'm happy with that. You can obviously add as much as you want in there. So you can probably see there's only 436 characters opposed to my other one, which was 833. So we'll go over to my videos again, and we'll edit Waldo's video just here. And I'm going to delete what I previously had in there. Go to my templates, and you'll see my new template one just here. I'm just going to drag and drop it, and you'll see it's going to load it all in there. If I press preview, you'll be able to see exactly what it's going to look like. So subscriber goal, we've got a little bar loading up just here. We've got the link to go to subscribe as you normally would. New subscriber name, we've got Patreon, link to Patreon, newest Patreon, and we've also got this poll system just here that any viewer can click on. Like I say, go and test it out in my description right now and get it answered whether or not you want more Waldo videos. I would press save changes like that, and that will be saved directly onto that video. As simple as that. One bonus tip for you is, I didn't find this straight away, but being on the call with StreamElements, they actually said, oh, that already exists, the feature that you're looking for, but it's not like in your face. So you can actually change multiple videos at once. So if you just tick them, whichever videos you want to do, for instance, if you just wanted these three, you can press select a template, choose what template you want to use. So if I say I want to use that new template that I've just created, I'm going to press new template. And it's going to ask us, do we want it at the beginning? Do we want it at the end? So I'm going to want it right at the beginning of it. And I'm going to press apply. That is going to apply that template to all three of those videos for us without having to do anything. If we wanted to do all of the videos, for instance, we could click all. Whoa, I've done 215 videos. That's crazy. So you can select them all and add the template to every single video. So every single video is building engagement, whether or not it's getting you some tips, getting you some subscribers, anything like that. It's just building that overall engagement. So now if I go and press edit on one of these, you probably see this says I've got 2 video templates now because I've got this one plus one. So if I press edit now, you'll be able to see. Right, sorry about that. It just took us. It takes a second to load in, so I just got green ticks on them all. I've not really used the bulk stuff, like I said. This is a bonus tip. So now if I press edit on, say, this one, you'll be able to see right at the beginning of the description, it's got that preset that we already made in there. And that's pretty much all there is to it on building the engagement on your video. You can put that on every single video. Trust me, I've been getting a few more subscribers since doing it. I've also been receiving some tips, for instance. I never have any people send me any coffee or anything like that on YouTube at all. The only time I ever do is if it's on Twitch. So it does genuinely work. Like right here, let's look at it again. I've only been using this for about a month probably, and we've had a $5 donation from Holger, one from Anonymous, DJ with a 10, G2B with 20, and Anonymous with 10. So it does genuinely work. So what have you got to lose? Hopefully it'll build you some more engagement and get your links noticed as well and people in your Discord. Let me know what successes you have with this, or maybe what even features you'd like to see in this, because I'll definitely pass that feedback on to StreamElements, and hopefully we will see it. I'm going to be covering more stuff on Mercury, so do stay subscribed if you already are, and also subscribe if you're not. Don't know why you're not. It'd be great. But that's pretty much it. If you want to support me, you know where the links are. They're down below. Get clicking, do some stuff, put your rock in the stone. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. I just want to say a huge thanks to all my patrons that help make this content full-time, make it free for you guys, and also a huge thanks to all my YouTube members. You guys are legends. Thank you so much for everything that you do for me and the community. Keep it up, guys.